does the curry comb do? The curry comb goes round and round, round and round, round and round.
Round and
The
round.
curry comb goes round and round
as we push the pony.
Encore! Oh, careful, where you going? It's like, I'm done.
Circles,
Oh,
Covey,
Come
circles.
over here.
He's coming behind.
Circles.
Come on, careful. Over here, honey.
Edison,
The dirt's more fun, huh? Is that more fun?
Edison.
Brush the pony. There you go. You want to get the blue one? Okay, go get the blue brush. Okay,
get the blue
we're
one,
done with
Covey.
that one. Good job. There you go.
Oh, look at it.
Perfect.
Covey, only one, okay? Only one blue brush.
Pick one.
Pick one.
All right.
Go. I'll pick you another.
He's going to do double good, huh?
All right.
All right, so what's the little blue brush do, guys? The little blue
Brush goes
flick,
swish, flick, flick,
flick, flick, flick.
flick, flick, flick.
The little blue brush goes
flick, flick, flick.
as we brush the pony.
Edison.
You're brushing the pony. Yes, you are. It's dirty. Done? You're done?
All right, good
He's
job.
done?
Cleaned up.
Brush, brush, flick, flick, flick. Good job.
Booyah.
Horsey looks so pretty now, huh? Lightning looks good. Oh, that's my hairbrush. We threw a curveball in there for you.
Edison, are you?
That's not for a horsey. You can take the blue one, Covey.
Edison,
Take the blue one.
That's just in case, I feel
Edison.
jealous of the pony.
Edison, Edison. Edison.
Good
Like,
job.
what more can I eat?
I know, what else is in there?
Did
To the
you pet the
permanent.
horse?
Edison, don't kick the dirt out. Edison,
Oh,
you
come on,
can't.
guys.
Are you done with the, are you
Let's
done with
get
fighting?
everybody have a chance, okay, guys?
All right,
Let's take
Covey,
the
put them
next
back.
3.